we were doing smaller and bigger projects on educational technology. And then came the opportunity to go to the Stanford. And that was actually like a larger thing in Finland. So all the Finnish educational technology and education researchers decided jointly that we would like to work with the people who are like in the top of the world, in the highest ranking university that is possible. So we would like to create the contacts there and work together with them. And then the first connections to Stanford was made, and soon after that I got the chance to go to Stanford for a short period, for a 6-week period at that time. And I was there like absorbing all the tech ideas and all that. And I was attending, actually, I think it was the first Google Developers Conference. And they had a tech demo there. They asked to take a video with your mobile phone and upload it to the YouTube. That was really new at that time, 2007. Yes. So I did that in the conference in San Jose in a big conference hall. 15-second video. It took like 15 minutes to upload it to the YouTube. But anyway, I was thinking that how could I use this in my work? How could I use this to enable people to learn better? And it was that summer at Stanford when I realized that actually making videos is a very good way to learn new things. By making a video and with your video explaining to others what you see or what you think, or make you like help you understand some phenomena or so on. So at that time the technology was very limited, but the idea was there, and it was just starting to find out how to actually use the social media. In Nokia we believed that people will be sharing their experiences with the mobile device. I got more clear vision of what I'm aiming to, and at the same time as I was at the Nokia, I was still leading my research group in Tampere University of Technology. The first experiments were related to experiences, and the first idea was that we will share videos and improvise. So if you send me a video, I can see it and I can improvise my own video based on what I see, what you did. And the analogy was kind of jazz music. Anyway, we found out that people like to share things using the video. And actually the next thing was that I was back to the Stanford in 2010 with Hannele Niemi from the University of Helsinki, and we started to create an idea of larger research project on sharing the experience and using mobile technology for that. And we realized that experiential learning theory would be the one that obviously fits to this picture. So the pedagogy was there at that point. And that's what we did together with Hannele, and we also talked with Google folks and we talked with Apple people and shared our ideas and got good feedback. But we got really good feedback from some of the schools in Bay Area also, and some schools wanted to try out our movie platform at that time. We started to experiment with the stories that kids created in these schools in different countries. They shared the stories and they learned from each other by sharing these stories. And some of the stories were based on the local history. For example, in Greek, the students created videos about Greek mythology and those stories, and that was the time when there was a lot of financial problems in Greek, and some of the stories helped actually to talk these kind of difficult issues to 5th grader or 6th grader, so it helped in that way.